Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen sensor Crowfoot wrench, full guide. Begin by locating the oxygen sensor and disconnecting its electrical connector, then apply penetrating oil to rusted threads. Use a Crowfoot wrench size to the sensor, fit it on the hex, and attach a torque wrench or breaker bar. Turn counterclockwise with steady force, remove the sensor carefully, and inspect threads before installing a new sensor with anti-seize. Prepping correctly saves time and prevents damage. Always wear eye protection and gloves and ensure the engine is cool before starting work. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts and let any heated components cool. Gather a penetrating oil, Crowfoot wrench of the correct size, and a torque wrench rated for automotive sensors. Keep a clean rag and anti-seize for reassembly. Also have a replacement oxygen sensor, thread chaser, and magnetic positioning and turning require care to avoid breaking the sensor. Fit the Crowfoot wrench onto the sensor hex, then attach a torque wrench or breaker bar using a universal joint if needed. Apply steady counterclockwise force while keeping the wrench aligned to avoid rounding the nut. If stuck, spray penetrating oil and wait, then try again. When installing, use anti-seize on threads and torque to manufacturer specification for a proper seal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.